Hi, second grade. This is your math lesson for today. This is the paper that you will need. I will put the date on all the papers at the top. So today is Wednesday, March 25th, and the page that you will need is Problem Solving, Lesson 7. So this is our Swabot right here. We're still adding two-digit numbers, but we're going to do it with problem solving today. So let's go ahead and read the story together. Put your finger on the first word, which is Mark. Ooh, Mark, this story's about you. Okay, here we go. Ready? Begin. Mark and Dan were in a walkathon to raise money for their basketball team. Mark walked 35 blocks. Dan walked 52 blocks. How many blocks did they walk in all? Okay, so remember our solving problem? Do it with me. When trying to solve a problem, first, what do I need to find? Second, what numbers or information do I need? Third, solve or write a number sentence. And fourth, write your answer and check. Okay, so we're going to do that. Let's look at our story problem. And I want you to circle these words. It doesn't have to be in color, but you need to do it with your pencil. Circle in all. Now, what does in all tell us? That's right, that tells us that we're going to add. Okay? So we found, what are we trying to find? The sum by adding. All right, let's circle what numbers or information we need. We need this 35 blocks, represents Mark's. That's how many blocks he walked. And 52 blocks is how many Dan walked. So this was kind of like our spellathon that we did, but it was a walkathon. So they went out to people and they said, how far do you think I can walk and how much will you pledge to give me? They were raising it for their basketball team. So now that we have our information, we are going to write a number sentence or make a model. So we're going to write 35 plus 52. Just keep doing this with your regular pencil so you can erase if you make a mistake. Remember, we start in our ones place, and we have 7 ones and 8. Last thing we do is write our answer and check. So in our mind, would that make sense if we had 35 and 52, our two parts and our whole? Okay, let's go to the next page. This is about some kids that get to go to the beach. Ooh, that would be so fun right now. Okay, let's read what it says. This time, let's read it in a whisper mouse voice. Here we go. Sarah, Mary, and Johnny are collecting shells at the beach. Sarah has 45 shells. Johnny has 23 shells. Mary has 15 shells. How many shells do they have in all? Ooh, again, I see those words, in all. Remember, in all tells us that we're going to add. Okay, let's circle the information that we need from this story. 45 of those are Sarah's. 23 of those are Johnny's. And 15 of those are Mary. Ooh, thank you for those that are following along and circling and writing what I write. Okay, now we're going to write it down here and draw a model so we can solve. So we have 45 and 23 and 15. Please make sure that all your ones are in a line and all of your tens are in a line. Okay, let's add our ones. Ooh, I noticed that these two numbers are Papa tens. So this could be 10, 11, 12, 13. Regroup the 10. Make this a 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 83. Write our answer and check. 83. So this should be something that you have done before. So it should be review. Okay, so your assignment today is going to be number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6. On your assignment, you either have to write a number sentence or you have to show me the model. You cannot just write the answer, okay? You have to have both today. So, for example, let's do number 1. This is about a girl named Karina. And it says, Karina, read with me, ran 15 blocks Tuesday. She ran 20 blocks on Wednesday. How many blocks did she run in all? So we have 15 and 20 in all is going to help us know that we're going to add. So you have to either show me that you can add it this way, or you have to show me this way with the answer. You cannot just write the answer, okay? I have to see your number sentence or I have to see it written out solved. Okay, so once again, this is the rest of your assignment for today. You have number 1, 2, 3, number 4, 5, and 6. And second grade, you can either take a picture and send it to me, or you can show it to me tomorrow in our Zoom meeting. Good luck. Thank you.